Are you tired of looking at ordinary videos and want to give your videos that special X factor that you know that you're capable of? Well, in this video, I reveal all of my secrets that I've learned from 25 years working with big brands, companies, and how to create videos with wow factor so that you can stand out in the busy marketplace. So watch this now if you want to learn the art of engaging, high quality video content. My name is Rachel Dunn from Girl Director TV, and we're passionate about helping women stand out, be seen, and change the world using video. Let's get straight into the things that I want you to start with to give your videos the wow factor. 1. High quality footage. Coming from being a director in the TV world, I look for high quality content. I want to watch content that other people have taken the time to make look good. I want to watch interesting people, angles, and great editing to grab attention. So think about your background. If you're presenting like I am here, check out ours. We've bunched a few things from around the house together and created a set in our lounge room. I'm sure you can create a really good environment or set with things that you have lying around the house. So when I talk about high quality footage, it doesn't need to be 4K or red cameras or the latest expensive lens. When you know a few simple tricks, you can make great videos. Good lighting and angles are a good start. Practice, practice, practice. Check out someone that you admire and look at how they do things. For example, we use a Canon 80D for this video, and we film with our iPhones sometimes for B-roll. We use the Sony mirrorless for our documentaries because they're light, and that's it. There's a really cool Bentley commercial that you'll see that has all been filmed on iPhones. So you can create amazing content. You just have to look at planning your video out. Look at what shots you want to create and get a whole bunch of great footage together to make an impact. Keep it interesting. Number 2, sound and music. Good audio and music is a must. When you go to the cheap or free audio songs, every video will start to sound the same. So put in the diary now a couple of hours and look for your brand sound. Go to places like Audio Network or Audio Jungle, or check out the Creative Commons music in YouTube, because there is an endless amount of video music that you can find. If you find an artist, maybe approach them and ask them if you can actually use their track and grow with them. Maybe there's other tracks that they can actually develop with you and you can both grow together. That's what I've quite often done when I've actually heard a great track. I'll write to a band and build that relationship. So it's a really good alliance if you can find a band or musicians that you can help and they can help you, and make sure you credit them as well. The third one, motion graphics and branding. If you want your videos to really pop, adding motion graphics and branding elements through your videos really help. So large screen text that flashes up for 1 frame or 10 frames to grab attention is a favorite thing of mine to do. Using templates from places like Video Hive and asking an animator to create a bunch of animation for you so you can use in different videos is also a great secret I use. When I worked in TV, I learned from the ground up and the hard way. And I used to study other graphic designers and marvel at their work, wishing that I could do the same thing. But I love now how templates make things look amazing in such a short space of time, which used to take me months. So you can easily make these amazing animations that make a massive difference to your videos. So animation and After Effects is a skill and it takes time to learn. Just because somebody can edit doesn't necessarily mean that they're a good animator. So make sure if you are looking for a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork that you have a look at how much experience they have. Get somebody with at least 3 years experience that can create your animation for you. 4, emotional hook. I'm always sucked in to a good animal story. And the reason that they hook me in is because of the emotional title at the front that make me click. So when I did a study recently of just the types of videos that I look at, they're either emotion-based, story-based, there's usually something in there, there's some kind of challenge that somebody's overcome. So look at that. High quality thumbnail. Your thumbnail on your video will dramatically increase your views. Remember, we are visual creatures, so your thumbnail really should represent what you're talking about. It should have the title really clearly on the actual thumbnail. I mean, you think about when you check out Netflix or Stan or Foxtel or whatever you decide to watch, or YouTube, you have a look and you're scanning through it, and it's the image that grabs your attention. Yes, you will be guided to that particular video because of the word of mouth, but really, you also will find that the thumbnail has an impact on your decision whether to watch or not. And it's the colors, the typography. It is really quite scientific around why people make decisions, and it comes down to packaging. I mean, if you go to a supermarket and you look at packaging, it's exactly the same. You are packaging your video, and it's really important to have a look at that and think about, if this was on a shelf in a supermarket, would I grab that when there's a whole bunch of others? So I hope that's given you some ideas, and stay tuned for next week for more videos and training on how you can stand out, be seen, and change the world with your video content. I'm Rachel Dunn from Girl Director. See you next week.